creation. It is to face what you believe in.
It is to fight the version of you from yesterday.
Turning what's in your head into something real.
Like going on a journey.
Formats,
Trends,
moments,
emotions,
even the right answers you once found.
trying to impress
Your youngest self.
the light,
The shadow.
the air,
That split-second pulse.
fighting against the familiar, unleashing what you imagined.
Crafting a vision no one has seen before. Not something that feels good enough, but something that feels like it has to be.
No compass needed.
Whatever gives you goosebumps, chase it.